Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video, as you can see by the title, it's finally the pool tour, the pool reveal. Honestly, I thought this project was gonna be fun and exciting to share with you guys. But at this point, if you're watching today's video and if you follow me on Instagram, then you know that building a pool was my biggest nightmare. First of all, we got scammed by the pool contractor. So technically we pay a full price for the pool back in 2021. We paid them $30,500. It was a small cocktail pool. It was nothing special about the pool. So just for the pool was $30,500. So we paid that off back in October. And guess what? Comes the new year. They never got back to us and they told us that they filed bankruptcy. Just like that, they washed their hands. And they did this to over 50 families here in South Florida. So yeah, guys, this project has definitely been a nightmare for me. It had affected my mental health and it did so much to me. And honestly, when I saw it get done in 3 weeks by a new company, I cried because I said, I have been over a year dealing with a mess in my front yard and in my backyard, not having little Jay to go outside and play, not going outside. It was an emotional struggle for us, but it's over. But I'm here to tell you to be careful. And even if you're not in South Florida, be aware of any contractors. Make sure you read your contract right. Make sure they put a completion date in your contract. I have learned so much about this whole thing because obviously of what happened to us. And I don't want it to happen to you. So be careful, be cautious of the way you use your money, and also do a background check on the owner, not just in the company. So with that being said, you guys, I want to make you aware of these people. The name of the company, I'm going to put all the details down in the description box. It is called Sunshine Pools and Contracting. Of course, they're out of business now, but be aware because they're a scammer and they will open another business and try to do this again. So Joseph Valdez, Raul Valdez, and his whole entire family are a fraud. Stay away. I will put all their names down in the description box. I will also link the news that we all came out, all the affected family. I mean, for the most part, a lot of us came out in the Spanish news here locally in Florida. So please watch those links. Remember those faces, remember those names. The journey began in February 11, I believe, is when we signed contract as a Valentine's Day gift. Then in July 2021, they came back and started to dig the hole. I got excited thinking, oh my God, this is happening. We're going to have a pool. We're going to have a nice backyard so, we could enjoy. And that's when the nightmare began, you guys. I was left with that hole and that amount of dirt that you saw in that video clip for months and months and months. Chasing the pool contractor for months after months, he finally came back 3 months later and finally started doing what's called the rebar on the pool. And after that, I was like, okay, maybe they will finish it. It took them another month to come back and do the concrete that you see there. So in October 2021, he requested our last payment of $18,300, I believe, and he came back and did the plumbing and what's called the backfill of the pool. You guys, at that point, I'm thinking, okay, we're paying this contractor full price already for a pool. And, hopefully I had hopes deep inside of me that he was going to finish the job. But this is when things went really downhill. After he did this plumbing and electrical, he took months to come back, and I was chasing him and, telling him that I would put him on the news. He sent his team back and he did what's called the water line and coping of the pool. That was the last thing that company did for us. After that, this is how everything was left. Our backyard was, we couldn't even be back there because it wasn't safe, and the pool was left like this. After weeks of reaching out to the contractor again, we got a text message just saying that they filed bankruptcy to contact their lawyer, so they washed their hands. So we hired a new company that finished our pool within 3 weeks, you guys, and they did an amazing job. As you can see here, the first thing they did was prepped my backyard for the floors that we were gonna put for the pool deck. We used marble travertine in this area, and I honestly I'm super happy with the quality of the work and the material they use. Everything was as I expected it, and I started to feel so much better by looking at this project being almost done. It just makes me feel so happy. Then of course we put our old fence back up, because remember, if you follow on Instagram, I was gonna put a new fence, but these people left us with no money, so we used our old fence. Then they went ahead and started to clean the pool to prep it for Diamond Bright, and they did an amazing job cleaning and scraping the area. And then they came back to do what's called the Diamond Bright, which is the cement and the color of the pool. Like that, in less than 3 weeks, we had a pool, you guys. What a difference it is to work with a responsible company, responsible contractor. I am so thankful that we came across this person. He did an amazing job, and we're very happy with the work he did. And yes, it cost us another $32,000, but it got the job done. Then my stepdad came in and did landscaping lighting for us, which I'm excited about. Wait until you see it at night. It looks so beautiful. Then I also added a column here. I wanted to make it a little bit wider because I just had a pole there. So just make it aesthetically, pleasing. Then we trim our ficus, which are in really bad shape due to all the construction. And here's the final look, you guys. Stay tuned for a patio furniture makeover coming soon. Guys, this is it. This is the night glow. We still need to add more landscaping lighting to some areas, but other than that, I am very happy with the way my backyard looks now. I cannot wait to furnish the space and share that with you. That was it for this video. I hope you guys enjoy it. Thanks a lot for watching. God bless. I will see you all on the next one.